Designing UI and creating an entire project have many differences. So, in this video, we will develop an e-commerce mobile app in Figma to help you better understand how to use Figma, its shortcuts, and your way around creating a mobile application. In this video, components like lists, sliders, text boxes, and icons are shown in detail to get accuracy in the code. Also, get a better idea of the grouping of components and naming conventions which are part of DhiWise design guidelines. So, let's get into creating a beautiful design. Splash screen. Let us create a frame. Select the frame tool. Now, pick any frame from the right bar. Here, we choose iPhone 11 Pro. Make a note to use the same frame for the entire project. Now change the frame color to black. Here, we have an assets page with icons, images, and color palettes. Now copy the logo from the assets page and paste it onto the splash screen frame. Now, set it correctly in the center of the screen by pressing the shortcut key Alt+H for align horizontal centers and Alt+V for align vertical centers. See, our first screen is ready. Sign and screen. Select the same size frame of the splash screen. Furthermore, giving a proper naming convention to the screen is one more important thing. Change it to splash screen, and change this to the sign and screen. Let's add title, text fields, and button to this screen. Go to Layout Grid. Click on the plus icon. Now change grid into columns. Decrease count by 4 columns of the grid. Moreover, add the margin by 16. Change the grid color according to preference. Select the text tool by pressing the shortcut key T. Add sign and a text for the title of the screen. Moreover, select the font family here. We are using Inter fonts. Increase the font size to 24 and change the font style to build. Go to color style and change it to secondary. Just duplicate it by holding Alt and left click. Then, move it below a sign and title. Change it, hello, welcome back. Change text size to 14 and change font style to medium. Change color secondary to dim text. Select title and subtitle and add space vertically to 8. Let us create a text field by creating a label for an email address. Bold the font style and set the color to secondary. Now, select rectangle by pressing the text field shortcut key R. Set the height to 48 and set the border radius to 10. Remove the fill color. Here, add one color to the color palette. And now select a rectangle. Now add an icon for email. We use feather icon for it. Select vector to change stroke size to 1. Select vector and change the color from the color palette. Now click on the plus to create the new color style for the placeholder. Select text. Add label to enter your email. Change font style to medium. Now change the fill color from black to a placeholder color. Align text and icon properly and give even horizontal spacing. Select the label and icon and convert it into the group by pressing the shortcut key Ctrl+G. Now select that group, rectangle, and convert it into the group. Select group and email address text, give vertical space evenly and group it. Select the sign and title and subtitle and convert it into the group. Select groups. Give vertical space evenly to 40. Select the group and duplicate it for the password. Select groups. Give vertical space evenly to 24. Change the text of the email address to password. Now change the text or enter your email to enter your password. Now add feather icon. Search the lock icon for a password and add it. Change icon height to 20. Change icon stroke and decrease by 1. Now change the icon color. Replace the email icon with the lock icon. Delete the email icon. Now add feather icon. Search the eye icon for a hidden password and add it. Change icon height to 20. Change icon stroke and decrease by 1. And change icon color. Select the label and icon and convert it into the group. Check components by doing hide and show whether it is appropriate or not. Select text, add label for forgot password. Change fill color. Give proper alignment. Select the group and forgot password text. Give vertical space evenly 8. Now select rectangle. Add a rectangle for button. Change the height to 50 and add a corner radius of 50. Select text by pressing the shortcut key T. Add label for login. Now set it correctly in the center of the screen and change the font style to semi-bold. Again, set it correctly in the center. Select label, rectangle, and convert it into the group. Now select text. Add text for login with. Change fill color. And change font style to regular. Now set it correctly in the center of the screen. Now select that group, rectangle, and convert it into the group. Select group and or login with text, give vertical space evenly 40. Select line. Draw a line and duplicate it. After that, align properly. Select both lines and change the fill color. Now select text. Select distribute horizontal spacing and convert it into the group. Select button rectangle group and duplicate it. Select groups, give vertical space evenly to 40. Now ungroup by pressing the shortcut key Ctrl plus Shift plus G. Remove the background color and add a stroke. Copy Google icon from the Assets page and paste it onto this page. Set the icon height to 20 and align it properly. Select text. Add label for login with Google. Now set it correctly in the center of the screen and change the fill color. Select the label and icon and convert it into the group. Now select that group, rectangle, and convert it into the group. Select the group and duplicate it. Give vertical space evenly to 20. Copy Facebook icon from the Assets page and paste it onto this page. Set the icon height to 20 and align it properly. Replace the Google icon with the Facebook icon. Change the label of login with Google to login with Facebook. Align it properly. Select text, add label for do not have account, sign up. Now select sign up and change the fill color. Now select do not have account and change the fill color. Change font style to medium. After that, align it properly. Select the group and do not have an account, sign up text, give vertical space evenly 40. That's all for the sign-in screen. Before moving on to the next screen, make sure to group all components accordingly. Sign up screen. Let us duplicate sign-in screen. Now change the title and subtitle. Double-click on the email address text and change it to name. Now add feather icon. Search user icon for name and add it. Change icon height to 20. Change icon stroke and decrease by 1. Ungroup components until the email icon is isolated. Replace the email icon with the user icon. Change icon color. Furthermore, change the label of enter your email to enter your name. Expand screen. Make space for other fields. Now drag the email group and drop here and remove forgot password text. Select email and password and replace them with each other. Now select a password, email, and name to give vertical align. Select distribute vertical spacing and give vertical space evenly 24. Select password, email, and name in the login button and give vertical space evenly 40. Remove unnecessary width and resize screen width. Dashboard screen. Let's duplicate sign up screen. Remove all the fields, elements. Change screen height and change screen name. Select a rectangle tool. Now add a rectangle to the screen's half portion and change the fill color. Moreover, add a corner radius of 20. Copy bell icon from the Assets page and paste it onto this page, and adjust it appropriately. Select an ellipse tool and add the circle for the image. Next, add a text label for the intro name. Now select ellipse and text and give even horizontal space A. Now select ellipse and add a portrait image. Put sign up label here from sign up screen. Select the label and icon and convert it into the group. Next, change sign up label color and change the text. Copy the text field and put it here. Adjust it properly. Let us remove a rectangle stroke. Change the fill color. Now change the label text to search product. Open feather icon. Find the search icon and add it here. Change icon height to 20. Change stroke to 1 and change icon color. Select an ellipse tool and add the circle of 52 height. Adjust it properly. Change the fill color. Copy images from the Assets page and paste them onto this page. Now cut the hoodie image and paste it into the ellipse. Finally, select both and convert them into a group. Add the text label for the name below the group. Select both and align them center vertically. Now convert them into a group. Give even vertical space A. Let us duplicate it 4 times. Now select all and give even horizontal space 20. Now replace the icon and text one by one. Finally, select all and convert them to a group. Select it and adjust it appropriately. Now select all elements and convert them into a group. Select Text tool, add label for products promo, change text size to 16, and change fill color. Duplicate it and change the text. Change the fill color and adjust it appropriately. Select a rectangle tool. Now add a rectangle. Set the height to 200 and add a corner radius of 10. Change the fill color. Select Text tool. Add label for product name below rectangle. Change text size to 14 and change fill color. Duplicate text for product original price and add below product name text. Duplicate text for product discount price. Add beside product original price text, change the fill color, and change the font style to semi-bold. Select both and convert them into the group. Select that group, text label, give even vertical space 4, and convert them into a group. Copy the product image from the Assets page and paste it onto this page, and adjust it properly within rectangle. Next, select the picture, a rectangle, and convert it into the group. Select both groups, give left alignment, and convert them into the group. Duplicate the group and adjust it appropriately. Now go to the Assets page, copy another product image and paste it onto this page. Now replace this image with the existing image, change the product name, product original price, and product discount price according to it. Follow the same steps for the other products. Now select them and convert them into the group. Product selected screen. Duplicate the screen. Change the screen name and remove all the fields, elements. Select a rectangle tool. Now add a rectangle in the half portion of the screen. Set the height to 380 and change the fill color. Copy the product image from the Assets page and paste it onto this page. And adjust it properly within rectangle. Select a rectangle tool. Now add a rectangle. Set the height to 40 and add a corner radius of 10. Change the fill color. Now add feather icon, search the back icon, and add it. Next, change the icon stroke and decrease it by 1. Now select the icon, a rectangle, and group it. Select an ellipse tool and add the 8x8 circle for the indicator. Now duplicate 2 times. Change color for selected and unselected. Select all 3 ellipses and group them, appropriately set in the center. Select all and convert them into the group. Select a rectangle tool. Now add a rectangle on the other half of the screen and change the fill color. Moreover, add a corner radius of 20. Select the text tool. Add label for product's name. Change font style to semi-bold. Change fill color. Change text size to 18. Duplicate text for product discount price. Add beside product name text and change the fill color. Change the font style to semi-bold. Change text size to 14. Select both texts and align the center vertically. Now select both and convert them into the group. Copy icons from the Assets page and paste them onto it. Adjust the icon properly. Select the text tool. Add label beside an icon for product's details. Change the fill color and adjust it appropriately. Now select icon and text and give even horizontal space 16. Select text tool. Add label for product description, add dummy text and adjust it. Select icon, label, and convert into a group. Duplicate group. Change text to size item, replace existing icon to another. Select an ellipse tool and add the circle. Next, select and give even vertical space 16. Add text label for small item size. Change the fill color and change the ellipse fill color. Add ellipse stroke and change stroke color. Select ellipse and text and convert them into the group. Let us duplicate the group 3 times. Now, change the text 1 by 1 for a different size and adjust it appropriately. Change selected item text color and ellipse stroke color. Duplicate group. Replace existing icon with other icon, change text to hoodie color. Select an ellipse tool and add the circle. Let us duplicate it 4 times. Now change the fill color 1 by 1. Duplicate ellipse for selected color, change the size, add a stroke, and change stroke color. Now add feather icon. Search the icon for a selected one and add it. Change icon height. Change stroke to 1, change stroke color, and set it correctly. Now select it and convert it into the group. Select all ellipses and convert them into the group. Now that the designing is done, group all elements accordingly. Copy the button and paste it into this screen. Adjust it properly. Change text to add to cart. Now add feather icon. Search the cart icon and add it. Change stroke color. Change stroke to 1. Add horizontal space of 16. Favorite screen. Let's duplicate dashboard screen. Remove all the unnecessary elements. Change the heading to favorite. Adjust the rectangle size accordingly. Copy and paste a text label from the previous screen. Group the label with the rectangle. Change the text. Add a new text label. Change the font style, size, and color. Add a rectangle behind the selected text. Change the corner radius of the rectangle and adjust the rectangle size as you prefer. Finally, add a stroke to the rectangle. Select text in the rectangle and duplicate it. Change the horizontal space between the two elements and change the text. Change the fill color and the stroke color of the rectangle. Repeat the same steps for other products. Duplicate the products with their text labels and arrange them on the screen. That's all for the favorite screen. Also, do not forget to change the screen name to favorite before you move on. Profile screen. Let's duplicate favorite screen. Remove all the fields, elements. Scale up the rectangle. Change the text to profile. Align the text label properly. Select the ellipse tool and create an ellipse. Add an image for the profile picture. Add a new text label for the name. Align it properly. Select the image and the text label and give a horizontal space of 16. Duplicate the name text label and change the text to email. Align it properly. Change the font size and style. Add a new rectangle shape. Give a corner radius of 20 and change the fill color. Select the rectangle and add a new text. Change the font size, style, and color. Align it properly. The Go to Assets page and copy icons for the user and password. Paste it on the screen. Adjust the icons accordingly and give a horizontal space of 20. Add a text label for account information. Change the text size. Align the text label with the icon and change the text color and style. Duplicate the text label. Add a description for the account information. Change the text color. Select both text labels and group them. Align the group with the icon. Run Feather Icons plugin. Search for forward arrow icon and place it next to the text label. Change the icon color and change the vector stroke size. Duplicate the text group and repeat the steps for the password. Once done, group all elements accordingly. Duplicate the account section. Change the title to More. Adjust the rectangle shape and update all text labels for the new section. Add 2 new text labels for About Us and Log Out. Align the text with the icons. Change the text color for the Log Out option. Make sure to update the icons as well. Once the design is done, change the screen size appropriately. Now, our design is ready to become an app from DhiWise.